Hello all, this is Amol. I'm working as a senior software engineer at Dataverse team. So today I'm gonna talk about the new feature called dependent assemblies. So dependent assembly is a new way to register plugin assemblies into a Dataverse environments. So there could be multiple reasons to include another assembly into a plugin assembly. Like for example, you want to serialize or deserialize data using Newtonsoft DLL. So developers can package all such dependent assemblies into a NuGet package, and this NuGet package can be registered with the Dataverse environment. So NuGet files are stored on the file store rather than SQL, and there is no need to sign the plugin assembly if the plugin assembly is a part of the plugin package. There is a tooling support already available with the Pack CLI as well as Visual Studio. So I'll try to demo with the Pack CLI and PRT. So yeah, here is a command prompt screen where I have ran the Pack plugin edit command, which is part of the Pack CLI tooling. So it has created a sample plugin project named my plugin project. Let me open up the CS project. So this is the CS project where it has created a sample plugin with some sample code. So let me add a simple code to deserialize and serialize data. So yeah, here is the code. I have created just a count entity with sample data, and I'll just serialize and then deserialize, and I'm just throwing the exception to see if we can see the deserialized data on the screen. Let me compile this project quickly, and so I have logged in into one of the test Dataverse environment, and I can use this PRT to register a package. So there are two new options got added to the PRT to support packages. So this is the register new package under the register, and then view under the view menu there is a display by package menu. So let's register one sample the NuGet file which we just created. So let's use the default solution and let's import this. So this will import the plugin assembly and associated type with it. So we can see this type associated with the plugin assembly. So let me quickly register a step on the account of create message. Uh, it's registered, and let me just quickly pull up the screen to show the how the account new account creation shows the plugin message. So yeah, this is the message thrown from the plugin which shows us the deserialized data. So let me show a sample. So this was basically a create scenario. I would like to show the update and delete package scenario. So when I say update, so if you want to update a plugin assembly or a plugin type present in the inside that assembly, you can the code behind the assembly and type can be updated easily with the update. So if you go here and double click, or you just select and say update the menu, and then you can select the package and it will update it. So let me demo the delete scenario along with the update so that we can see both working. So yeah, here is the plugin to which I have added. It's just a sample code. So let me compile this. So we are just going to update a plugin package. So let me just do this update, and it will fire a update command, and it will add a newly added plugin along with the uh, the plugin assembly. So yeah, this plugin too got added into the plugin assembly once we do the update. So let me show you the delete command as well. So I'm just deleting it, or let's do this way. So let's do this. Let's rename this to the plugin 3, so that so we have deleted and we have added now one new plugin called plugin 3, and let's update this package. So it will delete the plugin 2 and it will add the plugin 3 into the Dataverse environment. Yeah, it has the update is completed and plugin 2 got removed, and here is the plugin 3 got added. So only the exception for delete of plugin is if there is any step added to the plugin, then this step has to be deleted first before you fire a update, or the delete command for the plugin types using the packages update. Yeah, so if you want to delete it, you can just click on the unregister, but as there is a step registered on the plugin one, you cannot delete, so it has to be registered first. So you can just go ahead and delete that step, and then you should be able to delete the package as well. So let's see the ALM support for the plugin packages. So what I have done is I have exported a solution containing the plugin package and a step registered on the plugin type present inside the plugin package. So this is the step registered on the plugin inside the plugin package. So what we can do is we can export this solution into this Dataverse org to see uh, to see how this ALM cycle runs. So yeah, my package is successfully exported, and if you see if the plugin package and SDK step is present uh, on the Dataverse org, we can refresh the PRT to see that. So yeah, here you can see the package is successfully imported, and we can see the plugin assembly as well as the plugin package along with the step is registered. So let's see the last scenario where how you could bring the existing assembly into a package. So yeah, for that what I have done is this is my I have registered one plugin assembly, and there are two plugins basically registered. So let me just go ahead and create a step on those one of the plugin. And so now how you could bring this assembly as a part of the plugin package. So what I did is I migrated the code of that assembly, and it's ready here in the plugin package project. So I'll go to the package and I'll increment major or minor version of the assembly, and um, I'll compile the package project again, and I can go ahead and basically register a plugin package along with the assembly present inside the package. So this way you can bring your old assemblies into the NuGet package. Once the package is registered, you can see this assembly and plugins are registered. So you could manually move all your steps into the new plugin inside the plugin package, and you could now delete the old assembly as the new assembly is a part of already the plugin package. Yeah, this is for the today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.